Hey guys, Aubrey here. Today I'm doing the Eureka Math Grade 3 Module 7 Lesson 30 homework. So let's get started. Use this form to critique Student A's problem solving work on the next page. Alright, so let's see Student A problem solving work. Alright, so this is kind of like a homework lesson, but with Student A's work. If you notice how it looks familiar, it's because it's the same problem as the homework yesterday, or lesson 29. But number 1, Catherine puts two squares together to make the rectangle below. Side lengths of the squares measure 8 inches. Alright, A, what is the perimeter of Catherine's rectangle? So what she did, she still thought of it as two squares instead of a whole, which is okay. So she just did 6 times 8 because 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 eighths, which is 48. In the area, instead of like doing it as a whole, she actually broke apart the squares too. Like she separated 10 and 6 and then separated the whole thing and added it all at the end. Okay, and then C, Catherine draws 2 of the rectangles in problem 1 side by side. Now, her new larger rectangle is shown below. What's the area of the new larger rectangle? Alright, so, where she got that 128? Oh yeah, from here. So she just added it up, and yeah. Alright, so this is problem number 1. Well, so what strategy did student A use? She drew pictures, and what else did she do? She, I like how she broke it apart. That's pretty smart. And then add at the end. So, she broke apart numbers. And then, let's see, she broke apart numbers, and then, also for the perimeter, she just, like, did 6 times 8, I guess. So, and then, I guess she kept it as 2 squares. Like, it's still a rectangle, but she kind of thought of it as 2 separate squares. Which is okay, too, because it's another way of solving. Alright, and now, things student A did well. Well, again, drew pictures. And that includes showing work. What else did she do? She gave short responses. I like how she did that. Gave short responses and pretty much did RDW, read, draw, and write. Alright, now suggestions for improvement. I think, well, she did show her work, but I was a little bit confused here where she got 128 at first, but then I realized that was the earlier area, but she could have showed more work for C and where that 128 came from. Alright, and see, is that it? Also, strategies I would like to try based on student A's work. I would, honestly, these answers are different for everyone, so you guys might be doing the same things or different things, but it's okay, because, you guys always try new things, and, like, the answers might be different. There's no right or wrong answer. I would try to write more responses. And oh, I just remembered another thing she did well. Included units. That's a very important thing to do. Remember to include your units. Include the inches. So yeah, I'm trying to write more responses, and I guess breaking apart numbers. Break apart numbers. That's pretty cool. So yeah. Alright, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope this video helps. And please don't forget to like and subscribe because it really helps on my channel. See you next time. Bye!